I'm headed to Chicago's Loop, to a location that's a half block west of Millennium Park, 2 short blocks from the Riverwalk, and just east of State Street Shops and the Theater District, for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments at Parkline, a new, pet-friendly, full-amenity tower. Parkline has a 24/7 attended lobby with package receiving and space to greet guests. Fourth-floor amenities include an indoor-outdoor pool and hot tub. The fitness center has a yoga studio and a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. A wraparound terrace has a grilling area adjacent to a resident lounge with space for gaming and media. There's a pet spa and a large outdoor dog run. Parkline has a second wraparound terrace on the 18th floor with a view of Millennium Park and the lake. There's a dramatic 2-story resident lounge at this level and a large party room with a bar and cafe-style seating. The 18th floor co-working space has multiple conference rooms and breakout areas. I'm at apartment 1005, a 1-bedroom, looking east over the Cultural Center to Lake Michigan and Millennium Park, short half block away. Turning into a living, dining, kitchen, open plan apartment. High ceilings, brushed concrete, plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Looking toward those floor-to-ceiling windows with roller blinds. Home office desk, giving you a great view. One-wall kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package includes a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, white quartz counters and white tile backsplash, contrasting white and gray upper and lower cabinets, track lighting in the kitchen. And since this is a Sweet Home Chicago apartment, it's kitted out with all the countertop appliances, cookware, dishware, silverware, everything you're going to want to be right at home and feel comfortable staying a while. Turning toward the bath. It's an oversized bath with a wide vanity, mirrored medicine cabinet up above, a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Looking at the entryway, you have your in-unit washer-dryer, ironing board, iron. Turning back toward the bedroom, you have a sliding door, opens into the room. Floor-to-ceiling windows looking out to the east. Second flat panel TV, a large dresser. Then you have a walk-in closet with custom organizers, laundry basket, and extra shelving and extra linens and towels. Parkline is a great location, really attractive suite of amenities. Everything is new here. Sweet Home Chicago apartments are set up with everything you need to feel at home and hotel-like services to ensure your comfort. It's a sweet deal.